Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to edit and delete parcel segments label in Civil 3D. In the previous exercise we add some parcel segments labels here, which you can see distance over bearing for the line and length, radius and delta for the curve. So if you have been added multiple parcel segment labels and you want to delete them and you want to edit them, then how can you do that? We will learn in this exercise. So you can open same drawing which you have saved in the previous exercise, or I will put this drawing in the description link. You can download and you will open. Now zoom in on the label along the frontage of property 102 here, this label, and select segment label. You will now, your label has been picked when you see a diamond shape grip at the label midpoint. On the label parcel segment label contextual tab, modify panel, click flip label. The label will flip so that the bearing component is outside the parcel and the distance component is inside. On the label parcel segment label contextual tab, modify panel, now click reverse labels and press escape to clear the selection. The labels reverse so that the bearing now read SW instead of NW, which was before. So now you can repeat same steps for the several other segment labels and note their reactions. For example, select this label and flip, and before it is NE, if you will reverse your label, it will change to SW. Just press escape, again select any another label and flip. You will see changes, and then reverse, and bearing will be reversed like this. Now press escape to clear the selection and select one of the labels along the back lots line of the parcel. Any labels you can select here. For example, I can select this label, and once the label is picked, execute the AutoCAD erase tool or press the delete button from your keyboard, and you will see your label will delete. It is very simple, like AutoCAD command or any other. You will notice that the label disappear from the line, since even though it is dynamically linked to the segment object, it acts independently as an annotation object that can be managed in the same way as other Civil 3D objects. Hope you like this video. For these